Welcome to our tutorial on crafting a solar design using a digital elevation model. Let's get started. Begin by selecting your project location. By default, WebSolar displays a 2D map. To load the digital elevation model, click on the map icon and choose 3D Google. Wait a few moments for the map to load. Use the right mouse button for scene rotation to explore the 3D map. Now, click on New Segment and draw a new segment. Repeat this step to create additional segment. Once you have created your roof segments, use the right mouse button to adjust your viewing angle. Click on the edge of the roof to modify the height for both the first and second segments. For precision, you can input the exact height for each edge using the toolbar to ensure an accurate design. Finally, click on 3D Map to hide the digital elevation model from your design. Congratulations! You have successfully created your roof model.